Yeah, okay. Yeah, so you stay here so you can see. So whatever we do, we try to include body to it. So even we're doing this bouncing, already there will be a chest diagonal, and there will be a chest movement here too, bouncing. Now as we change, boom, it's a lot of upper body movement. Now as we're going side, instead of just legs and hip, boom, introduce your rib. It's almost like you projecting your rib cage. And then you do your shake. Now here as we cross, using rib cage. Cross rib cage, hip. Rib cage, hip. So we're using upper body. Now we're doing crosses. We very much doing these pops in the body. So everything we do has a body movement, not only legs. Yeah, let's try that. Let's try that. Understand? Because you have tendency to go with the legs only. Yeah. And this will be great. This will be great exercise if you stay like this, change weight on one leg, release hip, and stretch diagonal. Good morning, diagonal. Now you collect this diagonal, and then stretch it on the other side. So you collect diagonal. So don't think of it as a no, this will be incorrect because it's very dangerous. You can have a rib cage like this, it will be broken. So it's a hip and rib cage diagonal. You see, you're stretching away. So it has to be always counterbalance between your hip and rib cage, right? One do not exist without another. Then you connect them here in the middle, connect a little bit like a contracting, and now you reopen them on the other side with your shoulders being as flat as possible. Yeah, boom, connect, and then stretch your rib cage, boom, connect, go. Yeah, so this has to go this way. More, and this, yes, very good. But your shoulders do like this, with me. Go, send this back, show me your diagonal, take a look. You see this red line, like yes. Imagine like a line. And now look at my line, look how much bigger I do. Look. You see, and then, so you have
because
to...
you're kind of sending it back.
But why don't you do it?
Because
Look how much
learning.
more. Look, yeah, so take a look here on this. This is called thigh. Mm-hmm. So this is even more important than the hip rotation because it's so powerful. Then I also do rotation here. Look, already nicer. But imagine she didn't do upper body, she would be flat.
Right.
No good.
Right.
So she keeping her, your face here, shoulders here, and now rib cage going opposite direction. But you see, you a little bit pointing down. It's going diagonally up, right. And now you go do it. And now we're gonna see this line, we're gonna close it in the middle. So almost like a little contract. And we're gonna stretch it out on the other side without lifting our shoulders. Boom. And boom. So why I do this? Like if you like touch me here and here. So you understand what I do. And now like squeeze me, like push your two hands together. You see this? You see? Yeah. So here I go. 1, 2, 3. You see what I do?
Right.
You see already 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. I mean, if you had 4 arms, you would feel how I'm always opposition. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay?
Yes. Really feeling the opposition and together.
Yeah.
Opposition.
Very good. So now when we do here, it's of course it's happening very fast because it's a jive, but there is something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So there is always body involved.
Okay.
If you don't know what to do, just pop it. Pop, pop, pop. You see your knee? Yeah, that's good. Stop. You see, you pop your knee back. Good, at this front. It's good already. Now do it fast. Boom, boom. But be aware of the lower. Yeah, wide the shoulders out. Go. Pop your chest. Boom, with the weight change. Boom, go. That's why it's very good to combine this with the step. So there is something happening on the upper. And that's like one of the biggest secrets of body actions. Okay, let's try with the music, this jive.
Yeah.
Let's go, girl.